Hi friends, this side Vijay Kumar and you are watching Average Classmate YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting and informative topic today. Today's topic is to make people motivated so that they can be productive and do tasks efficiently. This video I'm creating on my friends' request as most of them are working under stress and feeling demotivated. I hope the points which I would bring into your consideration today would certainly motivate you all and help you to live stress-free life. It it doesn't mean that I'm gonna give you some world-class expert advice or something like that. I'm nowhere near that, but being a friend or being a good friend, I'm gonna share something which I personally follow. So I believe that everyone has their downfall in life. Downfall is not a problem at all. हमें समझना चाहिए लाइफ का झूला जितना पीछे जाता है उतना आगे भी जाता है. Hence, no need to be demotivated here. There will be times when you are feeling extremely motivated, you are filled with energy, and you want to take massive action. On the other hand, there will also be a time when you are feeling low energy, demotivated, and you don't want to do any work. You just want to procrastinate and put things off. Friends, this is very normal human psychology. It cannot rain all the time. There will be this sunshine, there will be night, there will be rain. So we have to be patient, we have to understand that. The formula to live a successful life and maintain your motivation is what we are going to discuss today. So चलिए शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. First thing first, surrounding yourself with positive people. Now here आपको समझना होगा कि आपकी लाइफ में कौन शकुनी का रोल प्ले कर रहा है, कौन मंत्रा का रोल प्ले कर रहा है. यू हैव टू फिल्टर आउट. पॉजिटिव पीपल कैन हेल्प यू स्टे मोटिवेटेड, provide engagement, and support you when you are demotivated. And also they help you see the good in difficult situation. When you are down, just talk to someone who is motivated and positive. Their energy will influence you and you will feel better after that. What you can do to create a good surrounding, you can join a group or club, or you can subscribe this channel. Doing any of these that shares your interest will give you the opportunity to connect with like-minded people who have positive attitudes. This will help you to create positive environment near you. The second point, break down your goals into smaller. You can prioritize the task based on the importance and dependencies. Monitor your progress and make adjustment as necessary. While working on under finance sector, I learned this adjustment and I apply this adjustment words many times in my life. So monitor your progress and make adjustment as necessary. Take action and complete each task. Evaluate the results and make any necessary change for the future task. The next point, learn from your failure and mistakes. Instead of dwelling on them, use them as learning opportunities and make adjustment as necessary. Develop a plan to avoid similar mistakes in the future. What you should do, you should implement changes and new strategies based on what you learned in your past. Use failures as an opportunity for growth and learning. No matter, even if you are failing every time, no worries at all. Just analyze the situation and determine any patterns or trend in your failures. Here, trend analysis is the key component to overcome your mistakes or errors. Next point, reward yourself for your achievements. Don't let the idea die. Let's say you have an idea and you are giving into your team, your manager, your boss, and someone near to you are not understanding it. So don't worry. Execute that idea for yourself and let everybody laugh or make fun of you or don't understand you. The day when you finish that execution, I don't need to tell you how much happy you would be because it was your own idea which have implemented by you successfully. Now let's talk about what you can do to reward yourself. You can join a class, workshop, or your interest related group, or you can take up a new hobby. You can also do something fun and exciting, whether it is going to be amusement park, going bungee jumping, or trying a new sport. Do something that will keep you charged up, or which I personally do. You can start doing this. Give yourself a pat on your back. Recognize and acknowledge your achievements. Next point, practice gratitude. If you like something, or you get benefit of something, or you learn something new from someone, then also you should always be thankful to that one and show your gratitude. Trust me, in return you will get a lot. This will give you peace, happiness, and a lot more. If you are enjoying this video so far, you can start practice gratitude right away by subscribing this channel and sharing this video with your colleague, with your friends and others. To practice gratitude, I think you should write down at least one thing in a day for which you are grateful. It can be small things like a beautiful sun, or big thing like love and support from your family member you get. Reflecting on these things will help you appreciate them more. Next point, use visualization technique. This activity you can do in the night before sleeping for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes in a day I do this activity, and it would not only help you in personal life but also in professional life. Once you would be in practice to visualize something, you would start having a detailed view before creating any dashboard, any report, or any set agenda. Remember, practice gratitude is a continuous process, and it takes time, patience, consistency to make it a habit. But with the time and practice, gratitude will become second nature and will become integral part of your daily routine, and it will not only help you to create a positive mindset, it will also improve your well-being. The last point, take care of your physique. Exercise is the ticket to good health. Regular exercise has numerous benefits for physical and mental health. Some of these benefits include reducing the risk of chronic disease such as diabetes, heart disease, or any other type of disease. It can also improve mental health by reducing stress, anxiety, and depression while working on overall fitness and physical function. Make you to perform tasks more efficiently. Eating well, getting enough sleep, and doing exercise. Taking time to time relax when it is required will all help you to stay motivated and performed at your best. And guys, it is really recommended to be more consistent in regular physical activities. So these were the points which we all should keep in mind and start practicing to stay motivated and be productive. Thank you.
उम्मीद है आप लोगों को मजा आया होगा। अगर आपको कुछ नया सीखने को मिला है तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा उनके साथ जो करियर में ग्रोथ चाहते हैं और मेहनत से नहीं घबराते हैं। और हाँ, अगर ये हमारी पहली मुलाकात है तो नीचे दिए हुए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर जोर से हिट कीजिए। आपसे बहुत जल्द मुलाकात होगी विद वन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन कीप स्माइलिंग एंड हैप्पी लर्निंग।